What do you mean?
I can't really describe it. It's like I know what my parents' next move will be just before it happens.
Fascinating. This is just extraordinary. We are approaching the island of Angus, Cassandra. Yes, here we can